Good afternoon, I'm Captain Tim Clark aboard the beautiful 2020 Lagoon 46. Love to show you some of the features of this boat. I mean, as you can see, we're up in the flybridge right now. You can see there's a really nice sitting area if you'd like to come up here and have a cocktail, read a book, do some sunbathing. If you'd like to just sit down with me as I'm sailing and you want to learn some sailing, I can help teach you some things. Or if you don't want to do anything, you don't have to. You can see you got a beautiful 360 view around. It's a very nice place to sit, get some nice air. And you know, looking forward, you can kind of see some of the toys that we have on display. So there's going to be lots of action-packed fun if you want to enjoy some of the toys on board the boat, or if you just want to sunbathe. And I'll show you the stern area too, what we have too. So if you'd like to come on down, I'll go around this way. Guests seem to really love to be up here.
Yeah, the view's nice.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Be very careful. And as you can see on the stern here, we'll have a nice little floaty back here, so you can like to float. You know, set up a little chair up here, put your beach towel up here, have a cocktail. Set up a nice little hammock area back here for you if you'd like to sit in a hammock and just kind of relax, enjoy the breeze. Take a nice little swim off of the swim platform. We'll walk over and I'll show you that real quick. Over here. As you can see, when you come up out of the swim platform, grab your nice little freshwater wash down, grab some soap, shampoo, get your towel, wash off, and we'll greet you with a nice cocktail. Or if a nice virgin cocktail, if that's what you prefer, water. Sitting back here, we'll be spending a lot of our time, you know, having nice dinners, just having some good conversation, maybe playing some board games underway. If you have kids on board, great. We'll create a nice, fun, exciting, like a scavenger hunt or something. So I'll definitely keep the kids entertained, tell them some stories about the island. You can see if you'd like to sit here and relax, nice little settee area. You have a nice glass of wine, read a book, just kind of relax. You can see plenty of sitting area up here. We got nice music. And even coming forward here, you can see each one of the guests are going to have their own little cups with their names on, so you know we're all eco-friendly, so we don't like to throw any plastics or anything overboard. So you're going to have your own specialized cup with your own name on it. We'll mix some cocktails from here. Get your towels. We have nice reef-safe sunscreen for you on board. And then I'll take you up to the forward part in the bow area, and I'll show you some of the toys we have up here. As you can see, come up forward up here is a nice little sunshade when we're at anchor or on a mooring bar. You can come up here and sit and relax. If you're on your way, like come up here and relax on the nice trampoline. When we get to a nice mooring ball or an anchorage, we'll put out the paddle boards, put all the toys so you can have some fun. If you're into scuba diving, I'm a dive master. I'd love to take you scuba diving. You can see we got 4 sets of scuba gear on board. But if you'd like to bring your own scuba gear, please do. Highly recommend it. That way, everybody likes to dive with their own gear. We got some nice beach chairs. The nice thing about it is when we'd like to maybe go out to a beach and set up a nice beachfront, you know, picnic or something. So these are nice little chairs, put in your backpack, and we'll head to shore. Have a nice cocktail if you'd like, or a nice little picnic. Come on around and I'll be careful.
Well, listen, I have a meeting that I have to do at 4:30, so if you want to hang
Come on down below and I'll take you in and introduce you to Chef Siboney, first mate, my lovely wife. Walking in. We like to greet a lot of our guests with a nice cold towel. So I know a lot of times it's hot, so if they want to wipe down their face or their neck or anything like that, get a nice little cold towel for them. You can see we got some water. We'll always have water on display. But this is my lovely wife, my first mate, and Chef Siboney.
Welcome to Tortuga. Welcome to the salon. So we have come on board this season to charter for Charter Carib, and we're super excited. Just absolutely love to play in the kitchen, love to create, and love to get feedback from folks of what they like, what they don't like, and just, you know, improve as we go. But so far, it's been pretty amazing. We've had so much positive feedback from the brokers. We really enjoyed it. I made for them today for our broker luncheon, made them the seafood gratin. They absolutely loved it. They devoured it. They even took some home. Made them for dessert I call it the Caribbean tiramisu. It's one of my mom's recipes, but it's very tropical. It's got pineapple and cream cheese and pecans, and it's served frozen. So it's super good. And that was gone. That was completely gone. But so this is my game room, I guess, because this is where I have all the fun. And then let me take you downstairs to one of the cabins so you can take a look. So right this way, we'll go to the aft starboard cabin. And so guests can relax, take a nap, read a book. We included a map. We always like to give them a map, especially when they're newbies. They've never been here. Give them some ideas on where to go, where to visit. And just like them to have a very comfortable cabin, lots of space, nice space on both sides, plenty of storage down below. And then, of course, the shower and whatnot. They've got plenty of room there also. We like to include a few little knickknacks and soaps and whatnot, so when they come aboard they have all that ready to go. They don't have to bring it if they don't want. And of course,
I'll come over here and sit down.
Just love and enjoy working together. Go ahead, Rex. But we enjoy working together and just work together in Houston, and I work together here. Except it's a lot prettier here than it is in Houston.
Yeah, absolutely.
What did you guys do in Houston?
So we have an insurance agency. We handle employee benefits for businesses 3 employees and up. So our smallest 3 employees, our largest 10,000 employees, and we handle benefits for each one. Some medical, some dental, some voluntary benefits, disability life, things like that. Left it in very good hands to take care of our clients that we've had, I guess, about 20 years. So we are definitely, about the customer service, making sure that everybody has what they want, their comforts. We try to get all the information ahead of time so they can enjoy the trip and just have a nice time.
And ultimately, that's what we're down here for.
Yes, yes.
Do you guys have a preferred charter group that you like to cater to?
I don't know that we have a preferred charter group.
No, I think we connect on every level because we're like chameleons, so we just kind of adapt to whatever.
If they're our age group, I guess we have more things in common. But if they're kids, I have a granddaughter. I love the children.
Yes.
If they're older, it's
Then we
more
can
laid
adapt
back.
it. Yeah.
So it's like there's really not a bad fit.
No.
You know?
We mesh with everybody, so
Yeah.
they come aboard, they're gonna have fun with us.
Yeah.
Aside from all of the great water toys, what other entertainments do you offer on board?
On board, so we can do lots of things on board.
We have game nights.
We have
things
lots
like
of games.
that.
We have a basket full of games. We also like to do, if they want to do the towel origami classes. You'd be surprised how many people want to learn how to do towel origami. So like, show us how to do your towels. So we'll do that, for fun. The ladies, the guys don't care. Or mixing the special cocktails. They want to know what's in it. We'll do a cocktail contest, and whoever wins, then their drink will be the one that's served the next night. But just different things like that, just to make it fun.
What kind of cuisines do you like to bring on board?
I love to cook. So I'm Mexican, so I love Mexican food. But it's not even my. I can eat Mexican every day. But my favorite to prepare is seafood. I love ahi tuna. Anything fresh, is one of my favorite dishes. But today we made the seafood gratin. It includes lobster, it includes shrimp, it includes crab, and then it's layered with shredded leeks, and carrots julienne, and then that's covered in a very rich saffron sauce, topped with Parmesan breadcrumbs, and then baked, and it's so good.
Would you
So
say
so
that's
they
one
took
of your
some.
signatures?
That is definitely, yeah.
And-
That's one of my
and it
favorites.
seems that's what a lot of the charter guests, when they say,
Well,
what meal did you enjoy the most? And it always comes back to be that one.
The seafood gratin.
So, although she makes everything's amazing.
Thank you.
Well,
Thank
very
you.
lucky for the brokers who got to try it today.
Yeah, they get to, and we got some real good feedback. So I just appreciate them giving us an opportunity to come on board. And we understand they're the lifeline of the industry. We don't take for granted, and we just appreciate that they even stopped
so
in and said hi and met us.
Yeah, we've had a busy couple days already, which
It's
has been
been so
great.
much
So
fun.
we're making some good connections. The brokers see
It's been a blast.
it might be a fun couple to kind of
And
take
the
their
ladies.
guests and the ladies.
The broker ladies
yeah,
are,
they're
you know, kissing you
Yeah,
on the cheek
yeah, they're-
and giving
they're
hugs.
being
And I was
funny.
like, they like you. But yeah, we have
we
a
just have a
great
good
time
time.
together.
So how many people can you have on board?
we can have six passengers and then the 2 of us, so 6-pack crew.
Okay.
Yes.
And my final question is, do you have a favorite charter memory?
You know, I think, yeah. I mean, the great thing about doing this is that we like to have first-time guests come
Newbies.
out and just newbies. They live with us on Facebook. They're friends of ours too, and they just haven't seen what we do.
They
But then they
follow.
finally come out with us, and they're clients of ours too. And it's great to show them. They're like, oh, it gets better. Every day I build up an itinerary that's amazing, and every
They
day they're
love
like,
it.
wow.
They're like, this is just getting better
it's
than this.
getting
They're like, wait till tomorrow.
just wait
Like,
till
no,
tomorrow.
no,
Just
wait.
wait. So
They're like, oh my God, this is better than yesterday.
yeah,
You know?
so-
So they love it. We
yeah.
love introducing newbies to the Virgin Islands. It's just a beautiful destination, and the people are amazing.
Yes. We'd love to
and
be here
just,
to help support the community.
Yes, absolutely.
What is your favorite part of the Virgin Islands to show newbies?
Gosh, there's
Like
so
if you had to pick out like
many.
one little thing.
It can
Which
be the
beach?
BVI side or US side.
U.S.
I-
I
I'd
love
say-
Cinnamon Bay. I love Trunk Bay,
Yes.
Megan's Bay. So it's hard to narrow it down to just one.
Depends what we're trying to do, but yes,
If you're
definitely
wanting
in
to
St.
relax.
John, Megan's Bay.
But the shopping
Yeah,
is
but-
really great.
And,
Even right
Cruise Bay.
here, this area, I love
But
shopping.
like going to the
here.
BVI side too. I mean, I can put together an amazing itinerary in the BVI
Just the
side.
Virgin
It's just I
Islands, I
love
love
going
it.
to Anegada because for us, I like to sit back and relax. It's a lot more calm. It's relaxful. You can have a nice lobster beach or lobster dinner on the
Lobster
beach, and we always set that up for the guests. It's just a really relaxful area.
Okay. I don't have any more questions coming in. Well, thank you guys so
Awesome.
much.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much. Appreciate it.